Once upon a time, in the quaint town of Ulm, Germany, a child was born to a middle-class Jewish family. Little did the world know that this child, named Albert Einstein, would grow up to become one of the greatest scientists of all time. Albert was born on March 14, 1879, with a head slightly larger than usual, a characteristic that would later be cited as evidence of his exceptional intellect. As a young boy, he displayed an insatiable curiosity about the world around him, often asking questions that puzzled his teachers and parents. His journey into the realm of science began when his father gifted him a compass at the age of 5. Albert was mesmerized by the way the needle always pointed north, regardless of where he moved it. This simple gift ignited a passion for understanding the mysteries of the universe that would stay with him for the rest of his life. Despite his brilliance, Albert struggled in school, finding the traditional methods of teaching stifling and uninspiring. He often clashed with his teachers, who viewed him as a rebellious troublemaker. However, his love for learning never waned, and he voraciously consumed books on science, mathematics, and philosophy in his spare time. At the age of 16, Albert enrolled at the Zurich Polytechnic, where he pursued a degree in physics. It was here that he met Mileva Merrick, a fellow student who would later become his first wife. Mileva shared Albert's passion for physics and became his intellectual companion, collaborating with him on several groundbreaking papers. After graduating, Albert struggled to find employment as a physicist. He worked odd jobs to make ends meet while continuing to pursue his research in his spare time. It was during this period of uncertainty that Albert published his famous paper on the photoelectric effect, which would later earn him the Nobel Prize in Physics. Albert's big breakthrough came in 1905, which would later be dubbed his miracle year. In a series of papers published that year, he introduced his theory of special relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space and time. He also proposed the famous equation E equals mc squared, which demonstrated the equivalence of mass and energy and laid the groundwork for the development of nuclear energy. Despite his growing reputation as a brilliant scientist, Albert remained humble and down-to-earth. He eschewed fame and fortune, preferring to focus on his work and his family. He and Mileva had 2 sons together, but their marriage eventually ended in divorce, and Albert remarried his cousin, Elsa Lowenthal. In the years that followed, Albert continued to make significant contributions to the field of theoretical physics. He developed his theory of general relativity, which explained the force of gravity as the curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. This theory was confirmed by observations during a solar eclipse in 1919, catapulting Albert to international fame. Throughout his life, Albert remained deeply committed to pacifism and social justice. He spoke out against war and violence, advocating for disarmament and the establishment of a world government to ensure lasting peace. He also fought against racism and discrimination, using his platform to speak out against the injustices faced by marginalized communities. As the years went by, Albert's health began to decline, but his mind remained as sharp as ever. He continued to work on his theories and mentor the next generation of physicists until his death on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. His legacy lives on today, not only in his groundbreaking scientific discoveries but also in his unwavering commitment to using knowledge for the betterment of humanity. Albert Einstein was more than just a scientist. He was a visionary whose ideas transformed our understanding of the universe and inspired generations of thinkers to push the boundaries of what is possible. His story serves as a reminder that curiosity, perseverance, and compassion can change the world, one discovery at a time. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.